a community in Enugu State came together and started building their own bridge. Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to BVI Channel 1 Plus, and I'm your girl Bella. So, Nnewe in Enugu State, the people of Nnewe in Enugu State have come together to build themselves a bridge. It's not 1980, it's 2026, and people decide they can be together, can lower their own bridge. Okay, the video, the bridge, the bridge, and the bridge. It's very beautiful.
Oh, c'est évident, à bout moi qui tabac. Alors, bon, aussi les gens qui aiment que les mecs. Ah, que va avoir une lata. On peut t'avoir une. Oh, quoi, même j'ai idée, comme appelle les mamans. Moi, même j'ai idée là. On va appeler sur le là, on va là,
that is life.
I taboo one la va quoi?
No, don't step back.
Okay. I have me kidnapping my guy.
Anthony.
Fine girl. Oh, I'm not gonna find
Imagine all the allocation, all the tax, everything that the people is very, very highly commendable that this community came to themselves. First of all, kudos to the initiator onye bido this project, because we know that that community it has a house of rep, it has a senator, it has a councillor, it has everything, and in a hierarchy of government. But the people now crowdfunded and start building a bridge. It's not a town. It's not a town hall. It's not a market square. It is a bridge, and we are sure that the people how we watakwa engineer Mwanya bridge, because what is the government doing that people are now doing crowdfunding, you know, coming together and start building the bridge. This is not 1965. People are coming together to do something for their community because this is where they live. You know, because most times these people will go to Abuja, go to somewhere and live. This is their community. This is their Abuja that they are seeing. This is their capital city that they are seeing. They want the betterment for themselves. This is how we build Igbo. Igbo. Otu aka ege no Igbo. Ebe ni na ademma. This is very, very highly commendable for the people of Nnewe in Enugu State. Kudos to this community. You know, it is a combined work. Everybody happy, putting in work for their community. You know, some people will stay in their house and be talking anyhow. But look at the people joining hands to build something for their community.